Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, this is that $5.999 that arrived today. And I just want to do a quick demonstration of how just a few minutes of your time can improve how these engines look. Now, this was in terrible, terrible condition. But as you see, I just lightly misted this with some flat primer. And as you see, there's no damage to the engine at all. None. Even the Marx logo is completely intact. If it'll focus, there we go. The problem with it, of course, is it was so badly stored that all the finish was gone. It was covered with fuzzy oxide. It just looked terrible. And here's 4 minutes of work. I literally held this in my hand and just lightly misted it with some primer, just to show you the difference that it makes. So if I actually pull the handrails off of this, pull the bell off, scrub all the nasty old finish off of this thing, and repaint it, this would be a really, really nice looking 999. And if you're doing this on a budget, this is the way to do it. Buy the cheapest junk you can find. Even if you can't get it running, you can use it for parts to fix the next piece of junk that you find. And eventually, you'll have enough parts to fix almost anything, anywhere, as far as Marx engines go. So here's a $5.999 that got here 4 hours ago. Absolute piece of junk that nobody else wanted. Really hard to beat that. So if you're doing this on a budget, this is the way to do it. It's really, really simple to get these running. And as you see, just a few minutes of work. If this is all I ever did to it, it still looks 1,000% better than it did when it got here. And of course, it's running absolutely perfectly. I mean, you just can't ask it to run better than that. It's maintaining an absolutely constant speed all the way around this track. It's pulling 20 Marx cars at about 55% power. And it was $5. So, as I said, really difficult to beat that. So, if you're looking to do this on a budget, this is the way to do it. And like I said, I just held this in my hand and then lightly misted it with some primer, just to show you the difference that it makes. And once you cover up that nasty finish, there's nothing wrong with the body at all. There's nothing wrong with this at all. There's no damage to it of any kind. A couple of rough edges, but remember, this thing's 80 years old. And all you got to do to get most of this discoloration off, and I got most of the rust off, but as you see, the metal is still discolored. No matter what you do, any kind of rust remover is not going to make this silver again. The rust has actually colored the steel. And so what you have to do is pull this off of here and use a small bronze brush and toothpaste or rubbing compound. Toothpaste works well because you have it. And a bronze brush with a bunch of toothpaste on it. You scrub this for 2 minutes and you'll scrub virtually 99.9% of this oxide off of here, which leaves you bright, shiny steel. Really simple to improve this. And as you see, just in 5 minutes, this has gone from being quite horrendously ugly to actually looking like a 999. And it runs. That's the nice thing about it. And of course, I put some Crisco over the number board and just sprayed directly over it. So I just wanted to do a quick video on touching these things up. You know, if I pull these hand rails off and polish them, pulled the bell off and polished it and put a nice paint job on this, reassembled it, this would look very much like a new engine. It would just depend on how much oxide you can get off the silver. But for $5, you just can't beat this. And like I said, I was the only bidder, so it got here at about 1, if I remember right. And so 4 or 5 hours, and it's gone from a really, really nasty looking old engine to being an acceptable looking 999 that's running really well. So I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.